Hi, it's Hazel and welcome to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, that'd be absolutely amazing, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So this is what we're using today, those that I've just moved off the desk. Okay, I'll show you again in a minute. Then I'm just tearing some paper out now, ready. Okay, yeah, clearing the desk. There we go, it's all ready now. I've got it on top of each other, but I do change my mind a minute. That's some frosting or icing. And that's what I normally use, that catalyst wedge. I've just moved off the desk. But these are half the price of one of those. So I paid about $5.99 for these frosting things, icing things. Getting some paint out now. And those catalyst wedges, that one on the table, I think was like $12.99 UK pounds. Or GB pounds if you like, I think it is, isn't it? Yeah. If you can hear some crunching, it's the dog. He's eating his biscuit. It's his birthday today. He's 6 years old. Yeah. So I'm using. This is how I'll use it. That's a bit. Oh dear! Why do I start coughing when I'm doing this? That is the big one. I think is too big, but I mean I do use it at the end actually, and I'm decided to use this one. Okay, instead of the catalyst wedge, and just squeezing out some paint. Okay. And that's supposed to make orange, but it doesn't actually. I like to mix it on the page though. This happens to be, I think this turns out to be my favourite one of the lot actually, because the way it looks. Yeah, I got it on that clear one. that wasn't just nothing I was using there. It was actually a clear one of those, and it's quite flexible, and I do use it. I think I use it on this. I think I try and use all of them. I love this. I love mixing the paint on the paper. I did actually have a palette that shiny bit to the right is actually my palette. I didn't use it, but I did get paint on it. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Yeah, so I'm just adding some colours there, and I think, do I add some extras on top? I'm adding a bit more yellow there. That's a very pale yellow. I do like it. Yeah, it sort of does mix a bit orange. Yeah, and I find out these do the same. I'm not sure if it's this one I show you on. It's another one. These do the same as the catalyst wedge. You can add, you can sort of brush paint on the top. If it is this one, I'll let you know. I can't remember which one it was. Yeah, I think it was actually. That's what I was doing just then at the top. But I might do it again on another one. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the paint out. There's not much left of that paint there. Yeah. So yeah, I'm brushing that one on that side, okay, and then I'm going to use one of the serrated edge frosting ones to see how it goes. I say frosting, I mean in the UK we say icing, but I say frosting because I think most of my subscribers are from the USA, and I know you say frosting for icing, and a lot of the rest of the world will understand that, I think, better than icing as well. Yeah, there's my other one. You see, there's my catalyst wedge, which I absolutely love, but these are amazing. I think these are as good as the catalyst wedge. So if you've got these and you don't want to buy, I don't think, yeah, I think, yeah, it'd be fun to buy just these. They're amazing. Yeah, did I say about that? I've told you about the dog anti-crunching. Yeah, it's his birthday, is 6 years old. Have I said that? I don't know, because I've had to re-record because I realised there's something that I should have cut out, like me cleaning the desk. Yeah, this is what I've decided to use, just a little bit of paint. No, that's a bit more paint there. And with the one with the serrated edge, it's got a massive, is it a serrated edge? It has, hasn't it? Yes. Yeah. So these are a lot of fun. I mean, you can use these, kids could use these as well if they get into paint, and then perhaps they could get, when they get older, they could get a catalyst wedge. But I don't see the difference really. There's not much difference really. Yeah, probably because I don't appreciate it, but I do actually. I love my catalyst wedges. but these are definitely, as I would say, as good, really. Yeah, so I like doing those marks. And if you'd make them, I think I'm doing it now, so I'm smoothing it down because I think I make too many marks. Got me out of my comfort zone there, as you say, because I got like too many crisscross marks. So I'm just taking them back, yeah. See, I'm just neatening it up. There we go. I think that's one on the desk at the end, isn't it? I'm not sure actually. If not, it's like it. I'm just putting, I think this is just one colour here. I don't know what the dog's doing, but he's burying around in his covers. What are you doing, eh? Rolling around. Yeah. Oh yeah, and that's why I haven't used some green. So I've got, so yeah, that's really fluorescent yellow there. So that makes a really bright green with ordinary blue, which is quite nice. It might be this one that I had that pink on. I had something on something. Yes, I was just thinking as well, if you want to not mix the colours like that, that's what I mean, yeah. If you don't want to mix the colours, I should wash them in between, but I didn't mind mixing the colours at all. I did not mind at all. I think it says, I love the way that's gone. So I'm just adding a bit of colour there, then using the crisscross effect. There you go, that's some blue and some, it's blue and green. Yeah, this is the blue and green one. Please don't whine, Nico, because I've got to do I've nearly finished. Okay, I do show you all the papers at the end, all dry, okay. Yay, cutting out that little bit has now got it down to 8 minutes. That's good. 8 minutes or so. Alright, Nico, wait a minute, Nanny will cuddle in a minute. He wants cuddles and lovings, that's what I say, don't you? You want cuddles and lovings? In a minute then. Yeah, I did do a film of actually, because Marcia, yes, Marcia wanted to see a film. I have got a film. I don't know if I've deleted it by accident. It's okay. Come here then. Right, you can cuddle Nanny then. That's it. You cuddle Nanny, because we do allow him on the bed, don't we? We don't mind him because they're only a little dog, aren't you? He's like a Jack Russell size. Nanny and Grandad don't mind you. We've only got a normal size double bed. But we don't mind you, do we? We love him. Unless it's hot. Then it's a bit much. Anyway, so yes, I'm just making some small crisscrosses on this one. Okay. I'm just making some small, yes, because that one's got, it's got, I think 2 are the same. What am I adding here? I'm adding something. Oh, I think I'm trying to add a bit of colour that's on there, but I don't think it's working because it's a bit dry. Yeah, I'm just patting it instead. Okay, anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
That one.
And
That one. The second one.
see you again soon. Okay, these are all the papers. And I'll show you my favourite one again, which is
I think I like that one, yeah.
this one. There we go. Thank you very much. Bye.